Workshop number 7 and 8. Removal and installation the combustor turbine and the dry gears box. The introduction, in this case during the workshop, we carried out maintenance on two key models of the ALF 502R engines. Our main goals has to follow the engagement's manual procedures careful toward the mechanic precision, safety, and system reliability. During the inspection, we detected multiple maintenance issues in the combustion model, such as carbon bull, damaged valve, and torque irregularity of the bolt. The gearbox shows better condition, only reduce minimal correction action of the gearbox. In the correction of action in this case, to restore the functionality, we replace worn components, clean all systems, and verify torque calibration depends on the manual. After you need to final assembly and leak testing the gearbox and combustion model show no detecting or leak for the fuel or another liquid. In the result and technical analysis, the dimensional result confirmed that all temporal tenderness and cleaner were restored. The system now operation is newly ensure safe power transmission and stay combustion performance. In the final conclusion of the workshop, I am in a conclusion that procedures followed were safe and really restorable of both models. This experience reinforced the importance of the precision and prevent maintenance. In addition, I'll assign the AM star for ensure flight safety and lower than engine performance of the aircraft. This is all for me. Thank you so much.